What if I told you that the future of conservation won't depend on just boots in the forest, but also code on the screen? Whether you're tracking birds, mapping forest cover, or analyzing climate data, data science is becoming one of the most powerful tools for ecologists today. In this video, I'll break down exactly what data science means and how you as an ecologist can start using it, even if you've never written a line of code.
Let's have it.
What is data science? Data science is the act and science of using data to make decisions, discover patterns, and solve problems. Data science is equal to statistics plus programming plus domain experts. It combines three things: statistics, coding, and real-world knowledge. In our case, ecology and conservation is the domain expert. Why ecologists should care? Every day we collect data: species sighting, temperature changes, pollution level. But that data is only valuable if we analyze it properly. For example, such data could be used to track biodiversity changes, model habitat suitability, predict species distribution, analyze human impact, and support conservation decisions. For example, you can use data science to track bird diversity across seasons and predict which habitat needs urgent protection. If you find this video helpful, please click the follow button, comment, like, and share so that you'll be able to get updates